Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get SpongeBob El Primo in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with video. So to get SpongeBob El Primo skin in Brawl Stars, you need to follow these steps. Also, of course, assuming that it's a part of an official collaboration between Brawl Stars and SpongeBob SquarePants. So firstly, check for the event. This skin would likely be available during a special event or collaboration. Make sure the event is active in the game. After that, purchase from the shop. The skin of the SpongeBob. It could be available for direct purchase in the game shop during the event. It may cost gems as well, which is a premium currency. Complete event quests. In some cases, special skins like this can be earned through event challenges or quests, and you might need to participate in the event-specific game modes or complete tasks to unlock it. Sometimes skins are available through bundles or limited-time offers, so check for any special deals in the shop and also make sure to stay updated. Update the game basically, and follow Brawl Stars as official social media channels for announcements on collaborations and new skins. If the skin is not currently available, it could be a part of a future event, so keep an eye out for any related announcements. So that's basically how you can get SpongeBob El Primo in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.